Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. I'm streaming from StreamYard for the first time so we can bring guests on or bring you guys on. I hope it's going through. Let me know in the chat if you're here, if you're watching, if you're waiting. I see a lot of people around. Greetings from a good old Germany. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, legends. Cape Town in the house. Someone saying amen, amen. Well, my friend, amen, amen. We've got 24 people watching. Guys, I'm streaming again from StreamYard. Please let me know in the chat if everything works. Everything is good. Nitro Bun is in the house. John in the house. Nice, 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 nice. So let me know, please, if everything works fine, if the music is good, if it's not too loud, if you hear me nice. Let me know. Other than that, guys, if you follow me on Twitter, you already know what I'm going to say. If you follow me on Twitter, you already know what I'm going to say. What I'm going to say is... that I tweeted that we're coming down here. I did. So if you look at my Twitter, I tweeted here before I said the week on Bitcoin 73.3 is called a liquidity raid. Did not even close above local high, left massive sell side liquidity. We're going to talk about that in a second. Bullback is coming. So I tweeted that literally here. So if you look, I was out, so I could not send the picture in. But once I got into my studio, I posted this picture. Now, if you look at what really happened, is exactly that. So let me take on, because now we're gonna monitor this. We don't need the alerts now. We don't need, guys. Also, let me know if you are returning. If you're new, smash the like button. And also, of course, we are going to do some giveaways. So yeah, so prep for that. Your music is perfect. All good, all good, all good. Yeah, we all know you saw it coming. Also, your usual. I'm never delayed, but I had some technical difficulties with StreamYard. So good, we can hear you. Great, 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 great. What an amazing prediction, bro. Yes, it was good. I will explain to you how you can do the exact same thing. My first time, this is special. Yay, Chizo, amazing. I just realized that with StreamYard, I'm going to put, can I just edit this? Let me just try to edit this. Let me try to edit this here, guys. So as always, what I really want to do is I want to make sure that we have something learning. So it's not only that I'm going to give profits away. It's not only we're going to do live trading and whatnot, but I also want to make sure that you learn something on these streams. So we are going to bring people up if they want to come up. If any of you wants to come up, let me know. But mostly I really want to make these educational as well, other than, you know, trading live and having fun and taking profits and giving profits away. And so, as you know, we've got, how many people we've got? I don't even know. We've got 68 people watching. That's fantastic. If you're watching on Twitter, come over to YouTube, because this is the only place that you will be able to win the profits. So somebody's saying, is Gustavo coming? Gustavo, I don't know. Maybe. Can I please predict about 𝗲𝗢? We can talk about that in a second. Thanks for that. Had buy order in place because of you. Hey, I'm so happy to hear. Please help me chart reading more. Share your mindset behind each trade. That's exactly what we're doing on these live. This is why you have to subscribe. Hey guys. Great. So what I wanted to show you, first things first, is we're going to give profits away. So let me know in the chat what you would use, how much money you would need, and what you would use the profits for. So we have 𝗥𝗢𝗡𝗧, if I remember her correctly, her name. We have 𝗥𝗢𝗡𝗧, who we had the last stream, and she wanted $200 for her mother for a smart watch, so her mom could track the calories. Well, I traded for her. We didn't close the trade on the stream, but we closed the trade, so I actually gave her $200. I made a transfer. She's going to show us the watch, so I'm super excited. This is the first time when we actually done that. I'm super excited. I mean, it's just really heartwarming changing people's life like this. It's really, really good. It's really fun, so I want to continue doing that. So please let me know in the chat what you would use the money for and how much money you would need, and then we'll see. I actually run up my account pretty nicely these 2 days, so we had $1,300 there. Let me I don't know if I'm logged in here, so that's why I put myself back on the full screen. Oh, I am. Great. So let me put it back here. Look at the futures. So I actually took this short. I closed this short. How does it order history? I closed this short with some nice profits here. Yeah, it doesn't show it. It doesn't matter. And then I went long. Here. So I shorted here. I shorted here. As I told you, I'm going to talk about that in a second. And then down here, I went long, which I'm also going to talk about in a second. So let's jump into it. When I tweeted, and at the same time, just let me know in a comment. Like if you want to, if you want to win, let me know. Let's try. What does this button do? Okay. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out StreamYard. So cool. So in several things. Number one, why Bitcoin dominant? What is happening? So this is what I said on my tweet before. Let me just delete all this here. And I said when we were here, let me replay this. When we were here, I said this is called a liquidity raid. Like, so this was kind of the scenario that I was looking at. Let me just take this off. The path can stay. So this is what I've been looking at. What all these mean is the following. I have so when you see liquidity is building, a lot of people ask me what liquidity is and how do you notice liquidity and how do you find liquidity and whatnot. So liquidity is basically just limit orders. I explained it yesterday or the day before yesterday on the show. So here the same thing. If you look at it, there is a trend line forming. A lot of people consider this as a trend line, but when you see a topping signal, a little bit of consolidation, or even not only consolidation, but also like a genuine big trend line, those are a lot of times hold a lot of limit orders. So as you know, if you follow my content, this is basically a market structure. If you long here or here or here, you put your stop loss down here. If you start long in here and here and here and here, you put your stop loss down here. And the same goes here. So then you build up a trend line and a liquidity pool, a pool of liquidity. Those are orders, stop losses sitting down here. So once a stop loss gets hit, that can trigger an event where all of these stop losses get hit after each other. So usually what happens, and this is what the market makers do usually, is that you get a 3-phase to get into a trade. And this is a very, very nice example. Number one, you have a major run up, right? And then what you want to see is that you want to see a market structure shift, right? Now, several things can happen. If the market structure shift, which is basically taken, if this closes above, this marks a market structure break. And when we close below the level that created the new high, you can call this a market structure shift. Depending on how it shifts, if it shifts like this, it's a weak market structure shift. If it goes fast, like we see it here, which I'm going to talk about in a second, it's a strong one. And then you want to wait for a retrace, a potential liquidation, and then the dump, right? So usually the model is that you build up, there is an OB up here for some reason, or because we are marking all-time highs, you see some kind of market structure shift, then you see a grind back up, building liquidity, and you see a liquidation, initiation, retrace, and a dump. That's what you want to see. This is kind of the model that market makers use a lot, right? So you have a lot of people shorting here, even smart money, because we see the market structure shift. Then it comes up, it wicks through, takes all the early shorts, and then it dumps, retraces. This is our entry, and then it moves lower. So let's see how this plays out in real life. Let me look at the chat as well. We have 105 people watching. Guys, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, do all that. If you are on Twitter, I would really appreciate if you came to YouTube, also because that's how you can win. I'm gonna do a giveaway just now, actually. Let's do one giveaway. Let me look at it. Honestly, start my doubles game journey. Honestly, would start my doubles game journey. Hold on. So somebody's saying, love your accent. Oh, thanks. Plant trees and save children. Okay, cool. Honestly, would start my doubles game journey. I don't know what that means. Sorry. Yo. $100 for trading crypto. Trading crypto is a good reason, but not good enough. Would be great to donate some funds to the poor. Okay, good. $200 and start my trading journey too, just like you. Today I'm here to ask for giveaway money to start trading because I'm fed up with this 9-to-5 job. I'm actually just dropping a video. It's a very good thing that you're saying this, because I'm actually just dropping a video on Banter this weekend talking about how to quit your job and go full-time crypto. It's gonna be very, very cool. I love trading really, and I'm learning 12 hours a day. I need this money. Awesome. Start my trading journey. It's my 8-year-old niece's birthday next Friday. She loves reading and all she wants is books. Oh, this is good. If this is not a story, if this is true, if this is not a story, then it can be really good. It can be really good. Why am I not? Hold on. Like I have to. How can I organize? I don't know how to do. I don't know how to use this StreamYard thing. So I'm actually covered with the comments, but it's fine. This I like this Chizo. I like this. But you have to know. You have to know. I will give you like a shout out, and you have to send me the pictures. It's not just talkie. You have to send me the picture of what you bought. You said about liquidity rate in Twitter today. Yes, exactly. This is what I'm going to show you in a second. Just finished Bento Crypto School, but I do need the funds to start my trading journey. 750 to fly to visit my mom. Well, probably not going to get 750 now. I'm a third world country with no student loans, no credits. I need a laptop. Oh, that's also good, but there is no amount here, so we need to get that. I have no fear. I'm here. Life-changing funds. $650 for eye treatment for my 89-year-old mother. Nice. I love this though. Put it towards my Tesla. Honesty, Brian. Good. Love it. Appreciate it. Okay, so it's legit, bro. Bought her a whole set of books in December and she read them all already. I will send you the pics on Twitter. Cool. Comment in Twitter. So we were gonna do. I love all these. I love the books. We might trade for the books. So I actually have this trade open. You said you wanted what? You said you wanted $100. We are at 300. So let's see if we get to $500. If we get to $500, which will probably be up here, we can get those books. Let's do that. Until then, if you come to YouTube, put your Solana address in on YouTube. I'm gonna pick someone and send $20 to you. Oh, we're gonna do it later. I mean, you can put it in now, and I'm gonna do it after I explain this. Solana address, make it pop. For the laptop, please. Someone's saying maybe some people like here. How do you choose the one? I just do this. No, I just want cool stuff. Like if you come here and you screw me over, it's just not nice. Okay, so Solana addresses. Okay, so what I wanted to explain with this is exactly what happened here. Look at this. So we have a liquidity, we have a high, right? We do close above here, and we create a market structure break here. No, this is called market structure break. And then we create a market structure shift, right? Market structure shift. This is a strong market structure shift. The break is not that strong, but the shift down here is very vicious, right? It's not only taking liquidity, but it's also coming wicking below here. Strong indication. Here was the first entry, right? I actually have shorted here as well, but don't short the bull. But once I saw that it's creating relative equal highs here, as you see, here, I was like, okay, I have to get out because probably it will wick through whatever that is. So I got out my short very, very soon. And so it is creating the structure. But what you see and notice here, again, as I explained, what? Liquidity creation. This creating a pool. And what you see here is it's literally just running for that liquidity. It's liquidating everybody who is early short and turns around. And it turns around viciously. So it makes a new low. This is kind of where I posted my picture and said, we're all going down. This is liquidity rate. People are like, oh, new all-time high. We didn't even break above. It's just a wick. It's a liquidity raid, a liquidity grab. It grabs the liquidity, pulls it down. That's it. So we have a confirmation here. We have a liquidity grab. Because we don't close above, that's indicating that it did not go above the strong market structure shift. And it built up massive freaking liquidity here. Massive liquidity. What people do? Oh, this is a trend line. So what we should do is that we should long here, we should long here, we should long here, we should long here. No. This is exactly what they're playing on. So they liquidated, and then the rest is history. We know it's going down. Now, why did I think we're going to wick down here and go back? It's exactly because of the liquidity. So I marked this level basically perfectly. And the reason is because this is the lower, this is where the trend line started. This level down here, 7,655. This is where the trend line really started, right? So usually what happens is we come down to that level where you started building the liquidity up. That was, a lot of people were long here. If you longed here, you probably put your stop loss down here. So we came down and we need a retest. Why do we need a retest? Because we need a retest to the 50%. You will probably see it much better on the lower time frames. So look at the 1 minute chart. So you need a retest to the 50%. Now, why am I not concerned that we created a market structure shift here on the 1 minute? because we claim this level. If you follow my content, you would say, okay, but this is, a market structure shift, and we broke above. Yes, but we had to come back to the 50%. We had to come back and claim the 50%, and that's exactly what we did. What happened next? It started dumping back down, right? So if I go down to the 5-minute, you see that it is dumping very, very nicely. It created a new low, so therefore this high that was created in premium is now the strong high, a strong level. Guys, keep the Solana addresses coming on YouTube. I'm getting to that in 1 second. So then what we see is that we see another dump, and there are only 2 candles here, although this could be considered as like a consolidation area, right? So then we reclaim that level, and this is exactly where we are now. So why did I think we're gonna come down here? It is because this is the beginning of the inefficiency. People did not think that we are going to get this 34 or 5% dump, which is just a pullback, right? It's not a pullback, it's a pullback, but it literally comes back to the beginning of the inefficiency. The POI here touches it and starts moving on. Now the decision time comes whether we can close above here, because this is our next level. This liquidity is taken, right? So I'll just mark it like this. Rate happen. I'll delete this from here as well. And if we are able to close, so this is our OB up here. If we are able to close above here, this is why I took a long here, somewhere here. Let me just put it back on. So I took a long here. I actually took it lower, but I added, as I saw the strength, I added more. Stop, I don't have stop now, so it's all manual stop. I didn't want to put a stop here because of the trend line liquidity as well. It could have wigged. It didn't so far, so we shall see. But that's the basic idea here. So I hope this helped you understand liquidity and how that works and whatnot. So let me pull up my YouTube. Then I want to show you something. Yesterday we had the INJ trade, and I really want to show you how that happened. So let me look at this. Oh, this is not the one. Okay, sorry. If you are on Twitter, go and subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. It helps me, helps you, it helps everybody. Okay, so here is the stuff. Let me look at the comments here, because this is where I can copy it from. Holy cow, you guys are crazy. I'm gonna go on top and I'm gonna go to live chat. Okay. So it's legit for a ticket or Solana addresses. Let's just pick someone random. Had to come out to YouTube on my phone a second. Nice. Hello, so how are you? I'm good. I need more, complete my house rent. Great. I cut my long around that area. Yes. Let's do one. Let's do Osiris is here. I like your name though. Let's go. I'm gonna do just this, like go crazy, and I'm gonna send this person as not the one. I'm gonna do this, guys. You gotta pop your Solana address in here. I don't know where it's gonna stop. Nobody's stopping their Solana addresses. I'm just scrolling through here, and people don't drop their Solana addresses. I'm gonna go. Okay, let's do this. Johnny Dow. Gonna send you some Solana now, sir. I'm gonna send you $20, and then we're gonna move on. Oh, by the way, I bought this Happy Cat and this Andy thing. It's just fucking insane. This is why I'm gonna do a video on how to go full-time crypto. It's just insane. Like, it's literally absolutely insane. If you, yeah. So it's just crazy. How much is Solana now? I don't know. Let me look at it. I'm gonna send Solana. Got your address. My Phantom wallet is frozen. Until I send the Solana to Johnny Dow. So they're saying subscribe. That's good. Hit the subscribe button. That's good. So if I need to head home, we'll resume watching when I get back. Great. No worries. Someone did. I did. 145. So Solana's 145. For some reason, my Phantom wallet froze. It didn't work. So let me try again. Yeah, so I'm gonna send you $22. 0.15 Solanas. Coming to your way. Please let me know when you got it. Please let me know in the chat here when you got it. It's still sanding. It's like it's sanding. Phantom might be down. Okay, that's good. Let's go to the next one. The next one, what I wanted to do, I wanted to show you something. And And I have to do another kind of sharing. Share screen. This is such an interesting. I have to. Well, I can only share a tab. Okay. So what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you this. So I explained in this, but I want to show you this. Why can I not show you this? I need Chrome, so I won't be able to pull this up here. But what I wanted to show you is that on yesterday's live, you won't hear it. You won't hear it because it's StreamYard. So anyway, what I wanted to show you is that yesterday's live, if you go to 150.56, so yesterday's live, you will see my explanation on why I am taking this INJ trade, right? The INJ trade that we made money for 𝗥𝗢𝗡𝗧. So I explained that if you go to the INJ chart, I just didn't want to kind of, you know, make a pot here. But if you go to the chart, I explained that we have a low, we got to follow market structure, right? So you got to have a low, you got to have a high, you got to have a higher low, which is higher than this one. You got to have a higher high. So you have a 4-point structure established here. So you are sure that we are going into some kind of rally continuation. You know that the daily is absolutely bullish, right? So you are going to a consolidation. And then from there, you see you are establishing a new structure, a 4-point structure. So then we had a big liquidation event down here, and then I explained that the wick, although we came below the local low here, the swing low, we did not close below, but the close was above, so therefore we can consider that as a higher low. So if we have a low and then a high and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low, obviously the next thing is going to be higher high. This is what I've been explaining and marking this on the chart yesterday on the stream. You can see it here. So what happened is that on the stream we came down lower. This is all the alpha that I'm giving you guys. It's literally all the alpha that you need to know. I'm gonna incorporate it. I wanted to do separate videos, but I might do some, but I'm gonna incorporate most of these in here. So this is where we've been yesterday, right? And I said, well, we could take a long position here without a stop because our stop should be below the low, right? And we saw a lower time frame reaction. It was literally here. And I said the only concern I have with this trade, why can I not just delete it, is that we did not touch onto the 50%. Again, go back to the live and watch it. And I said we did not come back to the 50%. But if we would have come back to the 50%, I will need to see a reaction. So I got in long here and I held the position. It was down like five, I know, because we got in here around this level. So yeah, it was down about 4 or 5%. Leverage, that's a lot, right? That's a lot. But I was expecting it because I knew that we have to come down 50% for it to be an efficient move. And that's exactly what happened. If you look at this, comes, touches the 50%, which I always talk about, and literally moves. So if you got in the trade yesterday, that's a 30% move. On spot, that means even if you have not used leverage, it would have been a 50%, or 30% pump. That means on $1,000 spot, you would have made 300. And this is also what I'm going to talk about on my show on Sunday on Banter, how to go full-time crypto. So guys, if you are watching from Twitter, please come over to YouTube. Come over to YouTube. I see 172 people watching on Twitter. Please, there is a link in my bio. And if we can get, I see the counting here. So if we can get to 100 people watching live on YouTube, we can give away $100. Let's do that. But I gotta get a check in here. When you come in, check in here. Let me look at the chat. My question is, did our guy Johnny do saying, I got this off FX, caught the short too, keep up the shows, let's go. Indeed, subscribe. Thank you, brother. I just started learning about crypto 2 weeks ago. Okay, cool. You're in the best place. Best place. Let's Latina. We bought Latina as well. I don't even know how Latina is doing. Let's look at it. Let's look at Latina. Latina. Ooh, it's down. What? It's down 38%. Let me look at I sold like 50% of this thing. Do you guys hear the music? I mean, is the music? Can you hear the music? Latina is down bad. Oh yeah, Latina is down bad. I'm still up Yeah, because I sold, but even if I haven't sold, I would be up like 25%, 23%. Thank you for the offer. Always special chart callers. Nice. Yes. Rain is here in the house. Should we bring Rain on, guys? Should we bring Rain on? That's the question. Should we bring Rain on? Rain told me insane amount of stuff about trading. He's a legend. I think we can talk about it. I think Rain is catching on to the bull market, but we can talk about it. Rain, if you want to come on, I can send you a link in a second. No YouTube tournament. Laden is dipping. Laden was Telegram bot that Gustavo said about. Yeah, it's not a Telegram bot. It's just a meme. Yeah, I can hear the minute. Let's go. Bring him on. Yes, please. Yes, bring him on. Of course, bring him on. Rain, everybody wants you on. Let me. How do I do it? Invite. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna send it over to you, bro. I'm gonna send this over to you, bro. No. I send it to you on WhatsApp, my friend. Send it to you on WhatsApp. Sure, bro, he's coming on. Yeah, I bought today some stuff again. This is also Gustavo's call. Happy Cat got in somewhere here. That's all, or also like 100 and 300%. I haven't sold anything. I sold a little bit, but it's very tiny bit. And then I have, what do I have? What else did I buy? I bought so many shit. It's that time. I bought Donald Trump. But I think this can really do good. This can really do good. Full disclosure, I hold all of these. I'm not planning on selling, but just so you know. Then I bought, what did I buy? Andy. I bought Andy. I think it was Fred calling Andy. I think maybe. Oh no, not Fred. I don't know who it was. But I bought Andy as well. This is also something interesting. We need a daily live. Yeah, guys. Yeah, we should do that. We definitely should do that. So we have 38 people on YouTube. Guys, you gotta come from, what is it? Twitter. You gotta come from Twitter. You gotta come if you want. Let's do one more giveaway. What's your plan for the next 2-3 weeks? Chilling, enjoying the bull market, choosing rich, right? Fuck. Do you know this guy? Do you guys know this choosing rich guy? I don't know. I forgot what his name is. But it's like literally this choosing rich guy. Do you know who the guy is? Let me scroll down. I'm pretty confident. This guy, Alnick. Do you know who this guy is? He's like choose rich, and then he's doing all these crazy things where he shows that he has a helicopter. I'm not sure about this guy. He rents a VIP cinema and they says it's his. It's so weird. Anyway, Rain is in the house, guys. Tell Rain to turn on the camera. He won't. I'm telling him to fuck it. This is why I told him if he wants to come on the show, he has to dox himself. He doesn't dox. I'm gonna bring him up in a second. I love the trading content. My trading confidence is going up by the minute. I love it as well. Nick, you need to go live from 6 to 8 EST. Nobody streams at that time, and it's perfect for position before the market open. That's not a bad idea. Always on point. That's nice. Will you do live on Banter? Would love it. Yes, I am going to do a live on Banter tomorrow. How do you start in crypto? You follow 100x Club and you follow me on the channel. Share my screen. I'll share my screen. No worries. And I'll bring the legend on as well. Welcome. Oh yeah, I haven't shared a stream. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so you don't know this guy. Yeah, this is what I've been talking about. But I have a special guest here. Guys, we have to get Rain's followers up to 1,000 on this stream. That's what we gotta do. So let's bring Rain up. Hello, hey, my brother.
Hey, yes. How are you, bro?
How's it going, my man?
Good morning. Okay, guys, let me tell you guys this thing. I will definitely dox myself when Fefe reaches 10K subscribers.
Ah, are you serious?
Yep.
But you have to promise.
I will.
You promise? Are you gonna dox
the crowd
yourself?
is the proof. The crowd you have right now is the proof. I will definitely dox myself when you get 10K subscribers.
You think I never get 10K or?
No.
I
I do expect that to happen within the next one or 2 months.
Oh, it would be
Based on
crazy.
the growth that you're actually having right now.
Yeah, share Rain's bio. This is here. Here, guys. This is Rain. This is Rain. You go follow Rain. So what is happening on the markets, my man? You can share the screen as well if you want. Let's chat.
Yeah, in the markets, Bitcoin broke above the all-time highs. How many of you guys are actually bullish, expecting price to go up?
I'm expecting price to go up.
Share screen? Why can't I share my screen? Oh,
you should be able to. You should be able to.
You're expecting price to go up?
Yes, sir. I think the problem is, here's the thing, and here's what actually is good that you come on and we can talk about. I think we got a little bit left behind in the beginning. We were like fucking shorting and got hammered. Because
we still have the possibility for it to go down.
Yeah, sure. But the problem is, like, it's the freaking bull market. It's with all these things, it's just absolutely insane what's happening. Like, I've got burned so many times on trying to short this. It's all on my Twitter as well. That I don't know if we're going down. Like, with all the inflows and whatnot, I was expecting this major pullback as well, and it might happen. But what's the reasoning behind?
Fundamentals.
Well, let me add your screen.
Oh, okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
So my expectation is, even though Bitcoin broke above the all-time highs, we have the total market cap, which still hasn't broken any highs so far. Okay. So what I'm expecting is, I'm expecting the total market cap to reach these levels, which is at $2.83 trillion. Okay. And then get rejected. This is the first scenario. Okay. So when the total market cap reaches these levels, I want the USDT dominance also to violate. Let me just mark that. Let me just delete this. Can you guys see these lows over here? This low over here.
Yeah.
I want the USDT dominance to violate this low. I want it to go below this low and close above it. Close inside on the weekly time frame. So these two scenarios must happen. Okay. So I'm waiting for this thing to happen, and after that, we can actually expect the bump in the USDT dominance and the drop in Bitcoin. So that is what I'm expecting in the markets right now. Okay. And there's one more thing. Like in 20th of March, we have the FOMC meeting as well. So I don't know if you know this. Like on each quarter, there is a quarterly shift which happens. Okay. So the character of the market is gonna change on each quarter. Like for example, like look at this thing over here as well. Let me just show it to you. Like starting from let's start from the previous bull run. So starting from January, can you see this?
Yeah.
December to March 30th. What was the character of the market, bro?
Bullish.
Bullish. Technically distribution. Okay. And starting from the 31st of March, what was the character?
Accumulation.
Accumulation. The shift happened over there, right? And that is because of the fundamental news which happens at that time. So on 20th of March, this month, you will definitely have a news which is the FOMC meeting. So that is one of the main news in the financial markets. Okay, so that basically decides if the market is gonna go up or if the market is gonna go down.
Yeah, but that's the thing, bro. Before you continue, guys, pop your soul addresses on the YouTube chat. Gonna do a giveaway again. Pop all your soul addresses. We're gonna give away. Rain will pick the one who will get $20 of soul. We're gonna do that now. So you can send it as many times as you want. Also, send the soul address, but also send it why you want it. I really want to know why you want it. And then we're getting away. Are you still here? Is what was his name? The guy who was with the book? Chizo, are you still here? Are you still here? Let us know if you're still here. Okay, so my question to you, Rain, while we're waiting for people to pop their soul addresses, is that I understand what you're saying. The problem is that I don't think that crypto, this is what I say by us being left behind, because we're so, focused on the normal sphere of trading. But this is degenerate. Like literally, I bought some meme coin in the bathtub before going to sleep and woke up to 10x. Like it's just absolutely insane. So I'm not sure if the markets follow the same trajectory that we're used to. And so everything you say makes sense. However, what if the manipulation was that little down from the accumulation and that's it? What if that was the manipulation? No, on the before that.
Downward movement.
No,
But
before
on the
that.
weekly,
Before
look
that.
at that. That's just one. That you can't even see anything over here, right, bro? So look at the weekly structure over here. This is too bullish right now. It's going exponentially right now. So the market will never do that. And if you look at the volume as well, it's basically declining. Okay, let me just show you the volume on the futures chart, so you will be able to get a clear idea of what I'm saying right now. See, it's getting declined. The market is pumping, and the volume is declining right now. See, the buying volume is going down.
If we go short, we gotta go short now. I mean, if you look at the 5 minute now, or the 15 minutes.
5 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes, like this was a void, and we can't actually confirm the bear scenario till this low gets violated. This low over here. Okay, that's a 4-hour low. So
that, I expect that to hold. That's what I'm saying. That's why I longed. I expect that to
look
hold.
at the rejection. Look at this rejection over here.
Yeah.
Look at that. So this was basically a liquidity sweep, and the fair value gap got filled over there as well. So the imbalance which was inside this area got filled. So now there is no reason for it to go down on the 4-hour structure.
Exactly.
So
this is why I went long.
Guys, like 10 more days, you can actually be bullish for 10 more days. And on 20th of this month, you have the FOMC meeting. So that is an important news. Okay.
When is the FOMC?
20th of this month. 20th.
20th.
Yep.
Rain, you gotta go to YouTube on your screen.
Okay.
And you gotta pick someone. Guys, if you're on Twitter, you can still qualify. Come to YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and pop your soul addresses in. Rain is gonna go to YouTube now. Can you go to YouTube with your shared screen?
Yes. Oh, okay. I can actually share that screen over there. Yes. So this is the YouTube. I muted him so that the voice is not gonna get looped.
Great. And then you can pick someone from the comment section.
So I'm just gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna randomly go somewhere. Okay.
Yeah.
In the comments. So
it has to be a soul address. So that's why they need to pump it.
Okay. So let me just close my eyes and I'm just gonna randomly go. Who's that?
It's not a soul address.
Oh yeah, I have to pick a soul address. Okay.
No, you have to close your eyes and you have to find a soul address, but you have to pick until guys. If you're an X, you're missing out. Come to YouTube.
So it will take some time. Okay, let me just close my eyes.
Just pick random. You can pick. Someone's saying I need.
Okay.
Alex is posting his soul address like.
I don't see any soul addresses over here. I only see one soul address over here. Just one. And this a soul address as well.
Go on the top. There is top chat, so you can go on top chat or live chat on the very top. Not within the chat window, but go up on the screen. Go up.
Over here. Yeah.
And then not top chat, but live chat.
Got it.
There you go.
Got it. Okay.
Alex is going nuts.
Alex. Okay, he's like
soul address. That's right, soul address. If you guys don't send me a soul address and we send soul, that would be a pity.
Is this a soul address? Okay, let me just close my eyes. 3, 2, 1, close. Who is this?
Okay, there you go.
Just missed, Alex.
Is this 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗘, eh?
𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗘, yeah.
𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗘. There we go. We're gonna
have a winner. We have a winner, and Alex just missed it.
Alex just missed it. Alex was posting his stuff in there, so that's also good. Yep. So I'm gonna put us back onto the screen because I don't know. Like, are you still here?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Let me just send some Solana to 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗘. He's always saying he's from Germany.
Oh.
So they say my phantom balance is only $3. Okay, my phantom balance. So are you trading any memes and any degen stuff, or you only trade professionally?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I am actually trading memes as well right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you trade? I sent you some Sol. Let me know. 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗘. Let me know if you got it. Okay? Let me know if you got it.
Something called 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗚. COC, I think.
𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗚. Are you in 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗚?
Yep.
You need some cock.
It's coming in a good way. No.
Okay. So here is the thing. Do you think I should close this position? What do you think?
Which one? Share screen, bro.
You should see my screen.
Hold it. It's definitely gonna go up.
So I ran. This account yesterday was at 1300. I think it was at 1300. Then I had this INJ trade. Then I had this massive short from here, and then I'm running it back up. The question is, like there is a guy in here. There is a guy here. Let me look. I don't know where he is, but he said he wanted some cash for books for his niece. Are you still here? I forgot his name. Ozzy or Muzzy or something like that. I forgot his name. Anyway, we can go. Master's in the house as well. That's good. That's good. That's good. So we're gonna do that. I wanna give some cash for the books, and then so I will sell like a portion of it. By the way, guys, this is Blofin. If you wanna use Blofin, there is a link. Do you use Blofin, Rain?
So far, no. I actually, got the message from them, so I'm still gonna contact them. Okay.
Bro, it's very. I can hook you up with them. It's really. I use only Blofin. I'm telling you. I use some other exchanges as well here and there when I sell and I short and I long,
like that
whatever.
T-shirt.
What?
I actually like that T-shirt of yours.
It's a hoodie, bro.
Yeah,
it's a hoodie. They were so kind. They just sent it to me and in Christmas, and I wear it because it's cool. But they're not sponsoring me or anything. Like obviously, it's an affiliate link with Benter down in the description. But that's it.
Perfect.
So Chizo is here. Okay, good. So Chizo, I want you to do one thing. I want you to go to Twitter, go on to the live here. If you come to my Twitter page, and post us some books or something that post us something that you say that you bought a lot of books and you would share. Like post it somewhere here in the comment section down here. I really want to see it. And then also you can DM me your address or just send it to me or whatever that is. Is that what about us on Twitter? Go to YouTube, bro. Go to YouTube. And then let us know. And then I think you got this. And then we still got some profit here. So guys, I want you to let us know what you would need, how much you would need, and what you would need it for. That would be the best thing. And then we just decide. You know, Rain, I think we should short it here. I genuinely think, like, don't short it in the bull. But I mean, this is just a retrace. It's leaving a lot of liquidity behind. It can come back to 50, hey?
It can actually come back to 52 right now, 52, maybe. But like so far, like the dump is not that impulsive, right, bro?
Yes.
So
what else are you looking at? What do you think would be a great buy?
I mean, AVAX, like I mentioned in YouTube as well. I mean, in Twitter as well earlier, right?
Share your screen.
AVAX. I told you buy AVAX over here when it was $40. Do you remember?
Yeah.
And you asked why. This is why.
Someone is saying, I design t-shirts and sell them on Amazon. I made a t-shirt with dog beef head. This is exactly what I'm going to talk about on the weekend video on Banter. Exactly. Hustle. AVAX. Going full-time crypto does not mean you have to trade. It doesn't mean that. It means you have to be full-time crypto in the industry, understand the trends, understand everything. I'm going to talk about this on the Banter show on the weekend. So AVAX. So you say AVAX is a good buy now?
Yep, absolutely. Look at this. Like the reason for that is because look at the AVAX BTC chart. AVAX has been dumping against Bitcoin in a big way. So the narrative flows from Bitcoin, altcoins, and especially in altcoins, Solana will be the first one to rally. And then after Solana, the next sole competitor is basically AVAX. So if you look at the weekly chart of AVAX BTC, what was it doing? It was dumping aggressively, right? And it came into a weekly OB over here, or like a breaker in the lower time frames. And then this is where I told you to buy. And then what are you seeing right now? We have an impulsive move to the upside, right?
Yes.
So you can expect this impulsive move to continue. So I'm expecting the target for AVAX at around $80, 80, 75, 80, that range.
Where is it at now?
AVAX, 54, 55, 56, yeah. Look at that.
56. So you're talking about another 60, 70% from here.
Absolutely, yes.
So you would only buy on spot though. You're not talking leverage.
No, I was actually trying to give the leverage trade to the community over here, but I didn't actually get a good confirmation, and it actually went, impulsive.
Yes, and that's the other thing I really like, really realized. Like, there is no confirmation. Like you get a market structure shift, you get a whatever that is, and then that's it. Like it's just ripping.
Yeah, but the thing is, just think about it, bro. Just think about it, bro. We predicted in our community, we gave these trades to our community, $18 from here onwards. Second trade, $27. We gave them. If it comes down to 27, just buy it, right? It's still pumping right now.
Yes.
And the next trade was over here, third trade. So yeah.
Yes.
So,
Crazy. So what? Other than you needing some cock, what other meme coins you're trading?
Okay, not any of not nothing else. Just that one.
Just cock.
Yep. And there was this other one called 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙. So that was a good buy as well.
Welsh, yeah, that was a very good buy. We called Welsh
𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗡𝗧.
so early. Yeah.
You told me to buy it at 4 million, and I got it at 1 million. Not 1 million, 10 million, I think.
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's 10 million, something like that.
It's very good. Very good.
And 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗡𝗧 as well. Yeah, I'm in 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗡 as well.
Gustavo, it's all Gustavo, right? I met Gustavo and he was like, we didn't know he was like this meme DJ crazy guy.
Oh, that's Gus.
Like,
you know,
buy Welsh. His first Bitcoin meme is gonna go like first Bitcoin dog, and bought it and it's skyrocketed. Yep. He's absolute legend.
Absolutely, yeah.
All right, cool. So I'm still waiting from 𝗕𝗬𝗢 to get this thing here, and then we can look at another. Do you have any trades that you would take now?
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm not going to recommend because in 1 hour, the US is going to close. The market is going to close. So, but I can actually give you guys a trade right now. Meaning, if AVAX drops down to these levels over here at 54, or maybe towards these levels, 53, just buy it. Okay. 54, 53, these two levels. Okay. Just go for the buy. You'll definitely get some good profits from here onwards.
Nice.
Yep.
So I will take some profits on this position, and I will give it to 𝗕𝗬𝗢. But 𝗕𝗬𝗢 is still just thinking. He's still thinking to post these pictures. He's still. Guys, what should we do? Should we give it to? Should we give? Oh, by the way, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗡 is bringing some. 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗡 is bringing some something today. I don't know if it's out yet. I think it's gonna have a. 24 hours. So it's literally gonna come soon. They are posting these. Something is happening very, very soon. Anyway, so what should we do? Should we give some profits to 𝗕𝗬𝗢, or we should not? Like, what does the community want? Let me know. Someone says, I need money to pay Rain for lessons. Ask Rain how much he needs.
Oh.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions. So I'm saying $300 for a laptop for my academics and entrepreneurial journey. It will go a long way. I'm in a third world country, no student loans, credit card. Help a fellow human. Where are you from, Alex? Where are you from? So saying I'll probably reinvest and make it grow. The SM community is the best place to be. Rain is the true master. Rain is the true master. $3 to start my trading journey. Oh my favor, my feet are up for this. Okay, let me know. Give it to Alex for his laptop.
This is actually a trade that you can actually trade. Okay, not right now. So within the next 4 hours, the market is going to close, right? So if this candle fails to close below this low over here, just go for a long tomorrow. Okay. I'm not saying that it will definitely go above 18 cents or anything, but you can actually tomorrow it will definitely be a bullish day. Okay. If it
on Doge.
On Doge, exactly. So you can actually target these highs or these liquidities over here, this high, and you can target these levels, 17. Okay. If it closes inside this, okay, inside this low over here, 15.986, yeah.
You think we have more downside? That's what someone is saying.
Today, I don't think so.
I think it's done.
Yep.
Look at 𝗕𝗬𝗢𝗢. Look at 𝗕𝗬𝗢. Look at what 𝗕𝗬𝗢 did. He posted it here.
And let me tell you guys one more thing. Okay, bro, just sorry for interrupting. Let me just tell you guys. If Bitcoin fails to break above this high today, just go for a short tomorrow. Okay, just on Bitcoin. Okay.
So basically, yeah, but on the high, you need. So this is what we're longing, eh? So like you need to. That's what I said. This POI here, it's 72,000. 72,000.
Yeah.
If we close above 72,000, it's going. On Asia, it's going.
No, the high that the market created today. We have to. Yesterday. If the market closes above on the daily time frame, you can actually.
Yesterday? You mean the 72,776?
Let me just look at my chart. Yesterday's high, as in, what was this high? Yeah, 72,800. That's the accurate level. So if it closes above that high, then definitely just go for the long.
Yeah, but if we are going to close above 72, that's also a very strong indication. That will be a strong market structure shift on the 1 hour and on the 15-minute as well from this liquidation. What does you know what? I can hook you up with this indicator. I actually don't use indicators at all. I hate indicators. Okay. But there is this indicator. It's called Easy Algo. There is a link in the description. Check it out if you want. I mean, not you necessarily, Rain, like everybody who wants to check it out. It measures market constructions. So basically what it does is that when the market makers are not active, it puts this little box and the value line in. And what it really what I really recognize that it works very, very well is that when we have a liquidation like this, like a big liquidation event that you see here, the first time it shows this contraction box on the 5-minute, that's when we want to buy. And look at this. It literally got it freaking perfectly every time. Look at this. So you go here, you have. I was shocked how good this indicator is. I was like, I'm not in for indicators. I don't like indicators. Don't show me. Look at this. It has this major dump. First time it shows the box, you buy. You buy as close as you can to the line. Then you wait. Then there's another line, right? Another box, another line. You want to buy as close as you can. You bought here as well. So you would have 2 buys. Then you're waiting. Then it starts rocketing. Then you're waiting for the line to form. That's what you do. You literally just, there is the line. This is the low. You add to the position there. You add to the position. Then another line. You add to the position again. You're waiting. Add to the position again. It's good, much better for spot than for leverage if you don't know market structure. The reason why it came back 50. So if you can combine all this that we do, if it comes back 50, then it shows the value line, then you can enter. But even if you just start buying spot right after a dump like this, it's absolutely incredible. And then you see the run-ups. And it's what I wanted to say with this is that what I'm waiting here on this leg now. Let me just finish this round up here. Just want to show that it actually rockets, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that I'm waiting here to see. So probably if we rely on the indicator, it's probably going to come down here, going to do some fuckery around, and we're going to get a value line. And that's when I really want to add to my position when that shows. So it's like an extra confirmation. It's very, very good. I want you to try it out and let me know what you think, because it's absolutely incredible. It really is incredible. Let's chat after and look at it, because I really want you to test it.
Definitely, bro.
So what I wanted to say is that I want to see a close above here, about 72,000. If we got that, then we'll add to the position down. If the value line shows, that's even better. But what I wanted to say is that we've got 𝗙𝗀 here. 𝗙𝗀, some of the books I bought for my niece. Now, I have a beautiful child as well. So I like these books. It looks very good. If you know what we could do? We could Google image searches. No, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you, 𝗙𝗀. So send me your and I like your picture as well.
Muhammad Ali, he's a boxer.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So send me your soul address here or somewhere, and I'm gonna send you $100 worth of soul. I like the cause. I think it's very, very good. And then we see if we take profits on this position. We have to. I mean, that's what I'm gonna afford these books from these. So I have to take what, 30%? I'm gonna take 30. What does it say? What? Oh, amount. Yeah, so I have to take the amount. Oh, this is a little bit confusing here. So I have to, how much is the amount that I have to? 0.02. So I have to be like 0.07. Let's do 0.06. Great. If I click on close, do you think it will close? I think it will just close that partially. Let's see what it did. It should close a market. That's what I would want it to do. So let's close it like here. It closed it. So 𝗙𝗀, you got yourself and your niece some books. Send me your address and we're sending it over. So we're saying Bitcoin might fall to 66. I'm flipping that 20 to 100 and we can give away half of what you like. That's what's up, man. If you do that, that's awesome. Come on to the show. If you do that, that would be that's incredible. That's incredible. I had to create a wallet on Phantom. I need money to balance my rent. Thank you. You're welcome. Indicators are lagging, right? Can it give you once incredible? So that's the thing. I hate indicators, bro. I hate indicators. And I looked at this. This is Benter has a share in this indicator actually, so full disclosure. But there is an affiliate link in the description. But I really do. I would never bring an indicator on if I don't believe it. Look at this, like. You trust me, man. Try it, Rain. I want to know your opinion. I genuinely want to know your opinion.
Definitely, just let me know. Just send it to me. Just send it to me. Okay?
Yeah, I will get you. I'll get you on. But look at this. Like, just look back. Just look. But that's the only thing we have to do. Look at this. We have a trending market on the 1 hour. I want to look on 15, but let's do the 1 hour. We have a massive pump. Once you get back 50, your first value line, you buy. You bought here. You have a massive pump. Once you get back 50, the first value line, you buy. You bought here. And this is the 1 hour. It's not the 15 minute. The 15 minute shows much better results. You have a massive pump. Massive pump. Obviously, you only come back on the certain leg. Certain leg, come back, you bought here. This is where you bought. Or you bought here. Then you could have bought here and here and here. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just absolutely, it's just crazy. Look at this as well. Comes back, has the pump, value line forms, you buy. You bought here. I was shocked. I was amazed by the indicator. I really was. It really is. It's really, really good. I'm going to do, my live show will include this tomorrow. So if you want to check that out, it's going to be on Better Plus. I think it's really, really good. I was surprised how good it is. Again, like for you know, for the bull, this is incredible. When you have a trending market, this is really, really good.
So what about for the bear scenario?
Yeah, the same thing. Look. So, but obviously we are in a bull market. But if you let's go back to a bearish scenario. Like, yeah, I can't go back on the 4 hour chart. But I think it works on. I never tested it on the bear because I didn't see.
Just go to the lower time frames, bro. Just go to the lower time frames. We'll see how it's gonna.
Oh yeah, okay, that's a good idea. Let's go in a 5 minute. So let's see, we have a dump here, right?
That's a tiny dump, right? So don't mind that. That's a void.
I mean, this is a 13-14% dump. It's not a tiny dump.
On the HTF it was a void. It was too impulsive over there. So 5 minutes. Let's see.
Let's go 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
So the idea here is that you want to go with the trend. So if the 5 minute trend is down, then you short. So you see here, there was the dump, right?
Oh, so that grays is basically for the bullish ones, and that red is for the bearish.
No. So you always sell. You want to identify the trend. So you have to identify the trend.
Okay.
And once you identify the trend, you sell above and buy below. So this is the area where the market makers are, you know, deciding what to do next. That's the basic idea here. Look at this. So you would have sold above here, sold, and then you have this new one. Once a new line forms, you can sell above. But again, we are in the bull, so I would not short. You see, it doesn't even give you the option to short. So what I would do, because we had a massive dump, what I would do is I would wait for the first. Look here, the first line formed. I get a notification. I buy in. This is my first spot buy.
Okay.
And then I wait, and this is the 5 minute chart. So it's like. This is the second. This is my second buy here. This is my second buy.
Got it. Bro, I want to discuss one thing with you as well. Not now in live. I will do that. Just let me know when you're free, okay?
Sure.
If you're actually seeing this and if you're saying this is amazing, then I have one more thing for you.
Okay, cool.
Too accurate.
I'm always down. Look, it's 7%. 7%. If you put in $1,000, it would be up like $70. It's just absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. 12 hours. Anyway. I'm not selling it. It's just, it really is fucking good. Check it out. Let's look at did you send me Chizo? Did you send me your wallet address in DM, or like, why did you send me your wallet address?
For Gary Gameplays in the chat.
Yeah, this is INJ's rocketing, man. It's crazy. You have any other trades that we could look at? That if the pullback continues, where is your mind at?
Rune, first one. Evax, second one, and Frax as well.
Show us. I'm gonna put your screen up. Show us what you're looking at.
So Frax, I'm actually watching at Frax as well. Frax, then Rune as well. Rune is actually pumping in a big way because of the AI narrative. It's basically pumping impulsively. So I'm actually targeting this breaker. So
hold on a second. Someone is hating. Anton Mayum there saying, I hate indicators, but I love to sell indicator. Dude, I can tell you one thing. I wanted to say fuck off, but I didn't want to say that. So what I wanted to say is that I'm here to help you guys. I don't need a fucking indicator to trade. Like, I just literally don't need a fucking indicator to trade. But I can tell you that this is what I'm going to talk about tomorrow as well, that this would help and will help a lot of people. A lot of people. And I just showed you because I think it's awesome. You don't even have to use my affiliate link, but look at it. Look at it because it is awesome. Okay. Carry on, sorry.
Okay, so like I was actually looking at near as well. So this is my target, which is the initial reactional zone, and that's the breaker as well. So 8.5, and I do expect this can actually pump in a better way, more than 8.5. Okay, so yeah, this
Gary Gensler, what is going on here? We have Gary Gensler in the house.
He's watching you, bro. Be careful.
Yeah. Yeah. So what are we looking at? We're looking at near.
Near, I'm looking at near as well. Near can actually go up to 8.5, and it may be even more as well. Because look at that drop over here, and the 50 at the main reactional zone is over here, 40. So you can actually pump in a good way, okay, towards the $14 mark, okay. But for this to happen, Bitcoin has to pump as well. So watch out for that.
What other thing you're looking at?
Rune, definitely. But Rune is almost at its end of the pump, bro. So 11.2, it's basically the area that I'm expecting for the rejection. 11.2. This, can you see this closing price over here? For me to be accurate, it's basically 11.218. This. Let's look at the closing price over there, 11.218. That's the area that I'm expecting a rejection for Rune. So it had its pump, so it's actually approaching its target right now. And then there's like Phantom. Phantom is something big is cooking in Phantom. So I don't know what it is, and Phantom can literally go up to 1.10. Okay, so watch out for Phantom as well. So these are the ones that I'm actually looking at.
Nice one. So
yep,
what
and a lot of gems as well.
So show me some BTC alt pairs. Show me some. I know that you're big on them. Show me some BTC alt pairs.
AVAX first one, like I showed you guys earlier. AVAX. Second one is right now I haven't looked at those right now. So let me just look at Frax. So it has been dumping against Bitcoin for a while now. See. So what's happening over here, bro? Can you tell me on the lower time frames?
No, you tell me.
It's building up liquidity right now. Okay, it's building up liquidity,
I'm sending funds to 𝗕𝗍.
Got it. So Frax is currently building up liquidity. So right now, after reaching a particular level, it's currently accumulating over here, right? So you know what's gonna happen after the accumulation, right, bro? It can actually retrace over there. It can actually go up for a big pump. Okay, so it can actually pump against pump 68% against Bitcoin. So watch out for that as well. Frax, meaning Frax is gonna pump to about $14 maybe. Right
𝗕𝗍, I didn't get your. You say you sent it on DM, but I didn't get your wallet address. I need your wallet address to be able to send you the $100. Sorry, Rain.
So Frax, I'm expecting Frax to pump because it's dropping heavily against Bitcoin right now. So Frax is one token that I'm actually watching out for, and the second one is Phantom. Phantom can literally pump in a big way because if you look at the Phantom BTC pair, it started its pump as well. Look, it has been accumulating for a while, right? After drop, accumulation, a manipulation below to sweep all the liquidity, and then the distribution, right? And after this distribution, what are you seeing right now, bro? It's coming down for the retracement by building up a huge lot of liquidity on the buy side on top, right? So after mitigating onto a point of interest, it can actually be like in this area over here. You can expect a huge pump to happen on Phantom. This is one more thing that I'm actually watching out for. Okay, this can actually happen this week within the next 10 days. So watch out for Phantom. So yeah, these are the trades that I'm actually watching out for. I'm not looking at a huge lot of trades because I'm actually looking at the gems right now. Some of the gems that I'm actually invested in.
So what gems are you looking at? Shoot them.
Alliance blocks, NXRA, and some others as well. XDZ. Yeah, I forgot the names of those tokens. Realio is there, and Pyth is there. Pyth is pumping heavily.
What do you think about Floki? Someone is saying, what do you think about So Floki, for me, I'm really invested in Floki. What?
I'm not a big fan of Floki.
I'm a big fan, bro. Why are you not a big fan?
Why are you a fan? Tell me.
Floki is literally the only meme coin with real utility. Like literally the only one with proper leadership. They are on a billboard in Times Square for 3 months. It's just Floki, and also they just launched TokenFi, which is like a real world asset platform for 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘. I mean, I'm extremely bullish 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘.
How
Extremely
much are
bullish.
you expecting?
I haven't looked at a chart. It's a moon bag.
Like wait,
What
what?
do you
Just
see?
launched or something?
What?
I thought 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗧 was here for a while.
No, bro.
What is
that?
this?
What is that? This month? Can you show me the percent?
Just this month it pumped about 400% so far
400%.
within 10 days. Yeah. What just happened to this one?
That's what I'm saying. They have proper leadership, bro. They are doing stuff.
No, this token has been around for a while, right?
Yeah.
So like if I look at Bybit, okay, like not from 2022. I know that it's been here from the last bull run. Where can I see? I look at this thing. It reaches. It actually reached its all-time highs. Okay. Maybe I missed it. I don't know, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘. It's still, it's actually too hyped up right now. I may actually expect a retracement right now.
Yeah, definitely a retrace. Definitely, but itself, like on 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘, I am bullish.
Let's see how much 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗘 can go. Will it cross Shiba's market cap, Shiba or Dodges?
Possibly.
Let's see.
Okay, Chizo, I literally just sent you $100. Thanks for coming here. And please do send me either in a DM or just share on Twitter. Maybe I won't see if you share because my notifications are just going nuts, but let me know.
Okay.
Great.
What are you looking at, bro?
Honestly, I have not been, just here and there scalping, but I have not been. I really have not been. This is why I'm happy to get back to trade, to do these live trades as well, because I really am looking at the market. But you know how it is, like you can't really just trade, so you need to, be on the charts all the time if you want to trade, right?
Got it. That's also true. Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, I haven't. I'm gonna look at some tokens. We can look at some tokens now. I will take a break
from trading.
No. I'm just gonna write this off. I'm gonna take a 2 minutes break, and then I'll be back on the stream. Until then, I'm just gonna leave this up here. I'm gonna bring back my screen. And bro, thank you so much for joining. It's been a pleasure having you here. See you in the next round, eh?
Talk to you, bro. Bye, guys.
Take care. Bye. Guys, I'm gonna take a short break. We'll be back. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, I think we did very well, but I need to go. I thought I'm going to take a 2 minute break, but I need to go. I need to prep my show for tomorrow. So what you want to do, I just want to give you if you're not going to watch my show tomorrow, which would be a shame, but if you're not going to watch my show tomorrow, I want to show you something. Again, I don't care if you think I'm shilling shit. There's not even a link for this, but if you want the best alpha in the industry, and I promise you, it is the best alpha industry, you want to download the 𝗤𝗢𝗡𝗧 app because you have it on your phone and watch the newsroom. So I see a lot of people saying, I want to go full time and do this and whatever that is. This here made me so much money that I can't tell you. You want to go on, so you have the app as well. There is the chat function. And you see we have 40, 45 people posting non-stop alpha here. With here I am as well. I don't have a picture. Why is that? My picture is not loading. That's a problem. I'm gonna get that sorted. But we post all kinds of stuff. Share alpha, share knowledge, share trades, share setups, share ideas. It's really something that you want to pay attention to. I'm just telling you, I use this all the time, literally all the time. Yeah, this is what I would look at. Guys, thank you so much for coming. I will leave this trade on. We might do a show tomorrow. Let me know if we should do a show tomorrow. And go to Twitter and retweet the tweet that I have. And from the people who retweet this tweet, I'll show you in a second. Oh, by the way, I'm going to do this. You know what? You should retweet this. This is actually pretty cool. Let's do this tweet together. I'm going to say we need enough profits to cover 100 years worth of books for Alice's niece. Send us the pictures once you got them. If you want to win my profits, subscribe to my YouTube channel, link in bio, and come to the live shows. That's what we should do. And come to the live shows. Send us, I'm gonna tag Ellie, I'm gonna say, no, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna say, hold on. Ellie, oh, there is an underscore, Ellie underscore. Send us the pictures once you got them. Once you got the books. Much love. So go here. I'll say PS. There you go. If you want to win 20 bucks worth of soul, retweet this post and let me know what you would use it for. Much love. There we go. Cool, guys. You know what to do. I'll see you here in the next one, which will probably be tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, or, you know, you can never know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in